So, guess who decided to show up to Salt Lake City, Utah?
I would like to make a toast.
Sorry, baby. Cheers!
All this time, I've been feeling hopeless till you came around, came around. All this time, you're the only reason I'm not chasing highs, chasing highs. What is love? Lately I've been wondering just what is love, what is love? I don't know, no one ever showed me I've been on my own for too long. But if you hold me now, let me into your heart. Maybe I can start to love again and take to my scars. Can you show me how?
Thank you.
Buen provecho! What learned, wow, let me start over. What word did you just learn the other day?
I learned two of them. I learned two different things. Hijo de puta, fuck you, Mengolea.
All right. Food was delicious. Now we're gonna take some shots. 1, 2, 3.
Lately I've been wondering just what is love, what is love? I don't know, no one ever showed me I've been on my own.
That babe, were you target practice? Turn around.
But if you hold me now, let me into your heart. Maybe I can start to love again and tend to my scars. Can you show me how? Can you love me without you fly?
Roaddawgztv, you guys know how we do. We always try to outdo ourselves. So here we are in Park City. This is our game room alone, and this is the bottom floor. Got a pool table, huge U couch, huge U TV. We got games out. We got little old school games. This is gonna be our hangout area while we are at the house. While we are at the house. Another bedroom over here. Fire! Our little bar. This is this right here is definitely the biggest house we've stayed in. You can look back to where we first started and where we're at now. It's a great thing. We're blessed to be able to grow and expand and enjoy ourselves with friends and family, because that's what it's all about. All right, everybody, live your life. You only got one. Adventure to the unknown.
If you want to be
Let's
happy,
do this.
just invite me.
So we're going into the central part of the house. Look at this. Got the kitchen here. Dining room area. Roaddawgztv Queen. This is the exit to the garage. You would have got me if I would have kept walking. I'm glad I stopped. So what goes with a big house?
Oh, yeah.
I'll show you guys.
3 of these.
Hey, massive pizza! That's what goes with this house.
God damn.
What is this?
One.
I don't know if you guys could tell. I don't know if you guys could tell. In the no way. Are you kidding me?
Gassed up shorty, says she need about 40, put up to the party, yeah. Look at that snow, bro. How are these people sleeping? I need to be in this. Right? I feel like I'm a bear in this thing. Hold on, let me get him.
guys, Roaddawgztv. We're out here in Park City. Woo! Woo! All right, Road Dogs, cheers! Ellen, I can see you. Yeah.
Which one do you lick first?
How the wings, though?
Fire. A little snow on it. A little snow on it.
Roaddawgztv, I apologize. Yesterday was our first day out on the slopes, but my sorry ass took an L. I ate something in the morning that didn't come down too well for me, so I wasn't able to enjoy myself. But we are out here, day 2 in Park City. We will be killing it today. We will be shredding it today. I will have some cool videos coming up for you guys. So stay tuned. Roaddawgztv. First run. Second day. There you go. First run, second day. We kind of had to separate the group a little bit because the levels of experience are a little different. There's some beginners, there's some intermediate. So
advanced.
So we're on our way to the top. First run. Stay tuned. More cool videos coming. Yesterday was a little bit of a bust for me, but making up today. Stay tuned. Took my feet, eh? So it's about that time of the day where we kind of pull over real quick and get some food and some liquid courage in us. Finally get the queen in the video. Everybody thought she wasn't here, but she was. I told you guys at the beginning that we have to kind of separate the groups because of different levels of expertise. But sooner than later, we will have everybody up on those blues and blacks. Stay tuned. Our whole group out here. From beginners to intermediate. We're killing it. Woo! All right, let's do it now.
Roaddawgztv.
Cheers! Not the video. It's all good. It wasn't a big deal. Woo! Drink up liquid courage. Sometimes you need a little bit. Don't get too saucy. Just a little bit is good. Roaddawgztv. So it is about 8 o'clock now, about 8:15, and we are in the Utah Ice Castle. We're about to check in. We have our tickets. We had a nice little snowball fight outside, but now we're in and ready to check out the amazing sculptures that these people create.
If you're not following Roaddawgztv, you're missing out.
Let them know. Let them know.
Subscribe, link, hit that bell button.
Oh my God, Sam! No, that's it. That's it. That's it.
Oh my God.
going down, ladies and
It
gentlemen.
is going down.
Battle royale between Roaddawgztv pack leader
Or your
Roaddawgztv.
queen. Comment down below who you think will win.
Broke my leg
Yeah,
right there
me
climbing
too.
up there. So we're heading up to the slide up here, and we'll see who takes this victory. Or where my fellas at? Where my fellas at? That victory, baby. It's getting to that time. This is gonna be the second race. I got my teammate with me that helped me out that first one. We got this.
We're going down. We are going to win.
No way.
Yeah.
No. Nah. All right, hey, ready, set, go! Ass whooping! What do you mean? What do you mean? Ladies and gentlemen, you guys saw it. You guys saw it live. Thank you, brother. You got me another victory. Don't be a sore loser.
Yeah.
Come on, don't be a sore loser.
Stop pushing away before the fucking
It was so strong, it would scare everything. With one injected in fury, whatever you got. No, halitosis. I didn't know how you did. I will defend my honor.
All right, road dogs. So we conquered the damn ice castle. Woo, and we out. Heading back to the house now. Already keep drinking. Yeah, keep drinking. Have a little bit of fun for tonight, and then tomorrow we have a snowmobile tour. So, can't wait for that. Good night, everyone. See you. Checking in, Roaddawgs.
It's cold out here.
This is some deep snow, and I'm telling you that there's certain times we get off these snowmobiles and the snow is to our waist. It is freaking crazy and amazing at the same time.
Hasn't stopped snowing, and the storm's pretty bad at times. It gets really windy, but it's still beautiful.
We are here. We got our crew. Check out our fleet. Woo! Now the awesome guys. Oh, look at this. Oh, my shoe fell off.
Oh my God, are you serious?
It almost did.
Oh.
So, the amazing guys from Lots of Peaks have started fire for us to warm up a little bit,
You
and
guys are good.
have given us some sandwiches as well.
Yum.
Ooh, this is pretty cool. In here, warm up real quick. Yeah. Woo! I don't know. What can I say? She's never prepared. What can I say? This was what?
Amazing. This is awesome.
This is what it's all about, baby.
Beautiful.
Look at this winter wonderland we're in right now.
Very blissful.
Woo! It was amazing. Never have I ever seen so much freaking snow. That was freaking deep
That
snow.
was so much fun.
Yeah, that was amazing.
A little update, Roaddawgztv. We survived the snowmobiles day 1. I'm going back for day 2, so stay tuned to my channel. Coming soon, Nika TV. Hey, why are they adding cold water to it? I don't know. Yeah, I know.
Woo! Roaddawgztv. We are located at Homestead Crater in Midway, Utah. This is a pretty cool hot spring, right?
It's a natural hot spring.
Yeah, I'll let you give all the information.
When I lost my voice, it doesn't sound good. So this was a hot spring in the 1960s. The water went all the way up, so they decided to try and use the water, but it was too much minerals, I guess. So I suck at this when the camera's on.
So they decided to.
So they decided to just make a little cave opening and give it to us so that we can enjoy and relax our achy muscles.
Yeah, so they added a little entranceway so it could be easier for people to get in. But everything else is pretty natural, so it's pretty cool. Having a good time. You get to float around here. I think they do scuba diving as well, so if you want to get certified, they have that here as well. But other than that, we're here for the relaxation, the craziness. You know how we can't go anywhere without acting a fool.
Una bulla!